Hi, Anil.
Am I audible? Am I audible now?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Are you able to see screen?
Not yet.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, now it is visible.
Okay. What we have discussed in the last class?
Mm, Client setting, I believe. We completed this. Mm,
Hardware inventory, software inventory,
Inventory. Yes, yes, yes.
software metering.
Documentary.
Okay. Okay. Before going the package deployment, I wanted to start today the package deployment. Before going to that, okay, let's
Mm,
install the we can complete one reporting section. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Uh, to view the default reports, you have to go to under monitoring
Mm,
and go to reporting. Okay. Here, if you expand under the fold this report section, it's empty. No items
mm,
is found. Here you
mm,
should get the default hundreds of reports. Default hundreds of reports you should get. Okay.
mm,
And also here if you click on the reporting folder, you should
mm,
get the one hyperlink here, report under
mm,
the reporting manager report server.
mm,
Okay, both are has the same default hundreds of reports, but
mm,
the user interface it will be little different. Okay, for the reporting manager and reporting server you can use any of the link, that's it.
mm,
Okay, to get these things reports and all, you have to install one role, site system role. For that you have to go to administration, site configuration, expand, and servers and site system role. Okay, here we do have already installed with the 8 site system roles, right, by default,
mm.
which we have uh, like discussed at the initial classes, right?
Yes, yes.
For example, right now, this is your primary site server. Under the
Mm,
primary site server, it has been installed.
mm.
Okay, here distribution point is already installed. Okay,
Yes.
for example, we discussed, right, distribution point here in this server we have installed. In the remote servers also we can install. Not only the distribution point, any role we can install in the remote servers also, not the
Mm,
site server, remote servers also. Suppose for
mm,
example we do have the AD server, right? Okay,
mm,
suppose assume this server is in India. In
mm,
India you have installed the distribution point here. In the
mm,
remote server, active directory server is in let's say for example our active directory server is in US. Okay,
mm,
just assume. Okay, at that time you can come here. See, on
mm,
the primary site server, if you wanted to add site system roles, means click on
mm.
add site system roles. On the SSCM server only, it's automatically taken. Why? Because here I selected the SSCM server, right? The
Mm.
primary site server, automatically taken. It's grayed out. If you click on next, you won't see in this list, you won't see the distribution point again. Why?
Mm,
Because on the site SCCM server it's already installed, but
mm,
now I wanted to install on the Active Directory server. Okay, for that which one is not displayed here? Distribution point. Okay,
Mm.
why? Because distribution point is already installed here on the
Mm.
SSEM server. So let's give the cancel. This is one way to install the site system roles on your primary site server, whatever it is. But you wanted to install it on the remote servers, right click here and
Mm-hmm.
create site system server. Okay,
Okay.
create site system server. Here it's got enabled. See, it's got
Mm.
enabled. The
Mm.
name has been enabled. So browse the system name. I have selected the type the AD, check names AD. So you can,
So this site remote server, you to have told that if we are configuring DP separately.
yes, DP
Okay.
separately. We have given the multiple explanation in the whiteboard, right?
Uh-huh. Yes,
Yeah,
yes, that will be fine.
yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And this DP you
Mhm.
wanted to link to which site server. Okay, here the site codes will be, if you have the multiple primary sites,
So the
it
data
will be
had
this.
asked you. Mm.
Yes, so if you link, you have to link like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that server, remote server, to be report to this primary site server.
Mm.
That's it. Linking is very easy.
Mm.
As I told in the previous diagrams, I have told that point. Okay, like this way you have to link. Okay, click on next, click on next. Now you can see the distribution point. See,
Mm.
so that this distribution point will add in the Active Directory mission.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so Active Directory mission also will act as a distribution point server.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I just show this option to you. Okay, now no need to install the DP there in the AD. Okay, now our target
Already by
is,
default we have one DP, right?
yes,
In primary
we have,
SCCM.
yes,
Mm.
we have installed this DP management point, these things, while installing the SSM setup itself.
Mm.
Okay,
Now whatever is there, it is showing the list over here below. Correct?
yes, yes,
Okay.
correct.
Mm.
Right click, add site system role on the primary site server only in the SSM site server. Next, next, and we have to go with the reporting site service point.
Mm.
Reporting service point. The description, see the beauty of the SSM, as I said, the reporting, a reporting service point integrates with the SQL Server reporting services to create and manage reports for configuration manager. Okay,
Mm.
we have installed the reporting service point also as a prerequisite. See, where it is, it's
We did it initially only, right?
yeah, yeah, SQL. One second. Open the configuration manager, downloads. Yeah, SQL Server reporting services point we have installed. It will come. It will come. Let me go to the reporting. Yes, it's got installed. Then why? Yeah, here.
Mm.
Report server configuration manager. It's got installed. Okay.
Mm.
Here we did some configurations also, if you remember or not. Okay.
Mm.
Here this and all we have enabled the hyperlink. These links you will get in the SSEM under the monitoring section. This
Okay,
link
okay. Uh-huh.
and this link also you will get it. Okay, under the
Mm-hmm.
database we have did some configuration initially. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this service will be active.
But in organization level, the DB team will take care of it, right?
Yes, but under our guidance. Okay, we
Okay.
have to while they have configuring, we have to provide the steps. Okay, you have to configure like this.
Mm.
Okay, now the actual point is, yes, click on next. Where you wanted to install ssem.hcl.com only. It is your site code, database name cm underscore b01. Click on verify. Successfully verified. Connection has been established successfully. Okay, this is the role, the service SSRS, that means reporting services,
Mm.
SQL Server reporting services. Okay, this is the folder name which is going to create under the CMB01, and also I will show that link. Okay, the links I will access.
Mm.
Maybe let me show the link right away. Did I? Yeah, reports, SSAM admin, India @ 143. Yeah, here that folder will be, the folder name will be created after
Mm.
installing that role. Okay,
Mm.
let me minimize. This folder name will be created. Under this folder, we can see the multiple reports.
Mm.
Here I will select the existing account which I have configured already for the client push installation account. Okay,
Mm.
the SSM admin, the same account I will configure again here. Okay, click next. Summary, very simple. The installation of site system roles, nothing. You have to
Mm.
just click on next, those things. Okay, click next, the summary, and close. You have installed with the reporting service point.
Mm. This is purely to check the reports and all, right? I believe.
Yes, correct. Are you near to any railway station?
No.
Some railway station announcement I'm hearing.
Ah, that garbage BBMP vehicle will come, right?
Oh, okay.
That small vehicle will come like a rickshaw.
Uh-huh, okay.
They'll
Great.
put that that
Okay.
sticker is there, right?
Speaker.
It won't come to your place.
It will come, but they won't announce like this and all.
Okay, they whistle, I believe.
Uh-huh. Okay.
These people are coming with this way only.
Okay. See, for the reporting section, okay,
Mm.
just now we have installed, right? See,
Mm.
just now with the 321, it's got created.
Mm.
With okay, these three log files we have to check. First, check the SRP setup. This is the
Mhm.
SQL Server Reporting Services point setup. Okay,
Mm.
ignore about this errors and all.
Mm.
Installation was successful. Written code 0.
Mm.
Okay, installation was successful. Then means role has been set up successfully.
Mm.
Okay, and one more log file is srsrp msi.log file. Okay, open this one. See, written code with the 0.
Mm.
Okay, then that means it's got installed successfully. The main log file is this one, srsrp.log.
Mm.
Okay, open this log file. Okay, wait, it will re-trigger it. It is a known behavior only. At one first time when we installed, we will get this error message.
Mm.
It will wait for 1 minute.
Now we are checking these logs in on SCCM server only.
Yes, where we have installed in the SSM server only, it will create,
Mm.
and we can check the logs. See, it is started now. Successfully created SRSR server instance. That means SQL Server Reporting Services instance. See, now it is going to create the folders, everything. Now it is going to create the hardware inventory. See, hardware inventory reports, some license based reports. Okay, like that it will create all the reporting sections, some software related reports. Okay, it will take some time to complete these reports and all. Okay, I just wanted to show the running report. Why? Because we do have the hundreds of report. Okay, let's give some time for this. Okay, let's give some time for this. We will see at the end. Okay, what is the reports available, everything we can see. Before that, shall we start with the package deployment?
Mm. Ah, yeah, I was about to ask that.
Yes,
We are going to do a package deployment or application deployment or something.
package deployment.
Okay.
Okay, for that you have to go to software library. See,
Okay.
whatever you are going to do the regular operation work, mostly the deployment should be access, okay, should be done by from here, software library.
Okay.
Okay, go to software library, expand the application management. Okay,
Mm.
under the application management you have the packages,
Mm.
you have the packages option. Okay,
Mm.
this is the client package which we have created, the client push method we have done, right?
Mm. Yes.
Yeah, that automatically created one client package and it's got distributed to DP. Our DP is
Mm.
SSCM server itself, our DP. If we
Mm.
have installed the DP role in AD machine also, it will shows the two targeted machines.
Okay.
Okay, like that. Now one targeted machine is itself SSCM itself.
Mm.
Okay. Now before going to create the package,
Mm.
okay, I wanted to download some application, right?
Mm.
We need to download some application. Mm,
This
Go
is
to
what I was about to ask. That Microsoft site is there, right?
mm, mm.
Where you see that the current branch and all those things. So, are we going to do it from there? I don't know what.
Current branch.
Mm.
No, 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 not that one. Current
That is
branch,
different, right?
that is different. Okay, I will explain everything. Okay.
Okay. So this is the first step what we are going to do, right? I'm going to say it normally.
Yes, yes.
So in organization, they will download this file separately, or how it is going to do.
Everything I will explain in a short moment. Okay,
Okay,
please wait.
okay, okay.
Please wait. I'm
Because I
just
think this is the main thing of what I'll be doing:
yes,
software
yes,
distribution and patching.
yes. We have downloaded the VLC. Open it VLC. What I'm going to do is let's cut this VLC and put it in the locally C drive. I'm going to create one folder.
Mm.
See this SCCM content, SCCM SMS DP dollar, PKG dollar, PKG C dollar. These are all the folders what I have highlighted. These folders has been created for the distribution point role. If you
Mm.
install that role in the
Mm.
Active Directory server also, these folders will be created automatically. This is the
Okay.
distribution point
Folder.
distribution point role related dependency folder.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Under the SCCM content library, you can find the data library, file library, package library. It will be distribute the content with the file hash type. You cannot
Mm.
see the exact what we have downloaded now, vlc.exe. Okay, those
Mm-hmm.
files you can't see the exact file. Okay, it will
Mm.
be converted with like ini, like those kind of details. It will be converted into the hash files, you can say. Okay, this is see .exe, this is the exact file, but it has been converted, renamed with the .ini. Then
Mm.
it has been converted as 1 KB. While downloading in the end user machine, it
Mm.
will be unzip and it will be unzip live ccm setup.exe. That file it will be download and locally and it will proceed with the installation.
Mm.
Okay, you won't see the exact file, but this is the important interview question, like what are all the folders you can find in under the SCCM content library, data library, file library and package library, you have to tell.
Mm.
Okay, now I'm going to create one folder here, sources, the original sources. Okay, let me uh, go and share this folder also, share this folder, sources, permissions. Let me give for full permission everyone. Click OK, apply, OK, OK. So it's got shared now.
Mm.
Okay, it's got shared. Under this sources folder, I'm going to create one more folder called VLC folder. In this folder, I'm placing the original setup file here.
Mm.
Okay, this is the original setup file.
So this
Okay,
setup file itself is called package.
yes, this is the
Mm.
package.
Mm.
Package or application, both are same only. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
yeah. Now, okay, I need the whiteboard now. 1 second. Okay, now we have joined in the Google Meet, right? I forgot. Let me open my whiteboard.
Or you can open paintbrush.
I'm not very comfort with the paint. I think this is yours only.
Okay, this
Okay.
is the option what you get every day.
Yeah. Okay. Suppose in organizations, usually from where here we are downloading the VLC application directly from the website
Manually, huh?
manually. Okay, but in real time organizations, you should not do like that. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
you have separate team, application packaging team.
Mm.
Okay, they will download this source file, and
Mm-hmm.
they will do some customization using the Flexera tool.
Flexible, correct.
According to our organization, they will do
Requirement.
some yeah, something, the requirements, everything, and they can provide to us.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
in some organizations, some projects, the application packaging team is not available, they are not exist.
Okay.
At that
Mm.
time, who is responsibility to get this source files? At that time, you have to
Mm.
contact the requester. Okay, from where you have to
Mm.
download the VLC means we can identify easily.
Mm.
Requester. Okay,
Mm.
not sorry, not the requester immediately. Okay, you have to contact the uh, app owner.
Mm.
For each application, you should have the owner in the organizations.
Yes, correct.
Okay, you should
Mm.
contact, if this theme is not available, for example for the SAP application, there should be dedicated owner for this. You have to
Mm.
contact the dedicated owner. You may have the document in your organization. Okay,
Mm.
by going through the document who is the respective owner for the SAP application, you can find out in that document. You can contact the
Mm.
respective owner through the teams, and you can ask him from which website I can download. And also you can take the all installation command lines, everything, the silent parameters, everything from him,
Mm.
or else from application packaging team. What if he is also not available?
Mm.
It is a very small startup company. Okay,
Mm.
they don't have the dedicated application owner. At that time, you have to contact the requester who
Mm.
raised the request, who
Request.
opened the ticket,
Mm.
right?
Mm. Correct.
You have to contact them.
Mm.
If finally he also said, I am not sure, but I want the SAP application on my system. Okay, in
Mm.
very rare case it will happens like that. If
Mm.
he also doesn't have the information, proper
Mm.
information, we should take the responsibility. Okay, by
Mm.
communicating to our team lead, hey, I have checked with these teams, they don't have, and this team has not exist, so I am
Mm.
taking the responsibility. I will download from this trusted website the SAP
Mm.
application, and I
Mm.
will download, I will do some research to get the key installation parameters, everything.
Mm.
Okay, the command line silent switch installation parameters, and I will test it on our own test missions. First you have
Mm.
to do on your own test missions. As an
Mm.
SSM administrators, we do
Mm.
have some test missions readily available all the
Mm.
times. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
you can, as a team, you can have maybe five to 10 test missions. On those test missions you can have, or else individually also some companies, for you, for Anil only, two test missions dedicatedly they can provide,
Mm.
maybe two test missions. In that test missions you can test it out.
Mm.
Okay, test it
Mm.
out. If everything is working fine, you can test it out multiple times. This command line
Mm.
is not working, go with
Mm.
the other command line. Okay, like that. If it is completely tested, once the
Mm.
installation is happened, the installation behavior also you have to check.
Mm.
Okay, installation behavior also you have to check. If these guys are available, they
Mm.
can, we can give the access, and we can ask them to check the installation behavior by
Mm.
taking in the remote session call, everything we can open the SAP application, and we have asked them to, okay, this is the right way and application is working fine. If we got the confirmation, then we go and deploy to all the remaining missions.
How they will check the application is working fine? I mean to say, do they check any logs or something or what?
It depends. We cannot stick with the single like statements and all. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it will varies from one application to another applications. Okay,
Okay.
application behavior, it
Mm.
is not comes under our responsibility
Mm.
mostly. Okay,
Mm.
definitely 99% it is not our responsibility. Okay,
Mm.
after installing the SAP application,
Mm.
let's say after installing the SAP application successfully, okay, user is using fine this application. In this application, he may have the, definitely he will have the multiple features actually inside. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
multiple features and components.
Mm.
Okay, let's say hundreds of features he will have. In that,
Mm.
one of the feature is not working fine. All the remaining features are working fine.
Mm.
After maybe 1 month or suddenly while installing this also,
Mm.
one of the feature is not working fine.
Mm.
Means that is not our key area. The
Mm.
installation behavior, the application behavior is not our responsibility. It should be
Okay.
taken care by application owner. If
Mm.
he is also not aware, means they have to
Mm.
raise some vendor ticket.
Mm-hmm. Got it. Mm.
Okay, they have to check
Mm.
it out.
Mm.
Okay, application behavior is definitely not our part. Okay, the
Mm.
installation is happened successfully or not, that should
Mm.
we, that's what we have to take in care. Okay, this is
Mm.
the flow. Okay, you should remember in the real time also. Okay,
Mm.
definitely it should be taken care by mostly one of these persons. In very
Mm.
rare case, very small organization, very small project means, at that time, yeah, we may take the, if it is a very small project, initial startup company means, we do
Mm.
have very less count of devices, so we can't we won't get the huge hectic works and all. At that time,
Mm.
yes, we can take this responsibility and we can test it out like this.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what I am telling, everything it is in the real time situation behaviors only.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, minimize. Yeah, now before creating the package here in
Mm.
the SCCM, I want the silent switch command line for this VLC. Okay, I don't know what is the silent switch command line. Okay, why? Because from one
What? What?
application,
What? What is that? What did you say?
silent switch
Okay. Okay.
command line
Mm.
are parameters, both are same. Okay,
Mm.
we cannot see when I'm double click this application.
Mm.
See, I'm just double clicking this application.
Okay.
You are
Go to
getting this
installation.
prompt. We are getting this
Mm.
prompt, right? If
Yes.
I click on
User.
OK, you are getting this
Mm.
prompt, right?
Yes.
User, we have 10,000 devices in our environment. When we are deploying this one, you
Mm.
should not get this prompt.
Mm.
The user, when he is in middle of the some meetings, when he is doing some critical works, okay,
Mm.
he should
Mm.
not get this prompt
Mm.
in between. Okay,
Mm.
and he is not in the state to click on next and do these things.
Yes.
Without getting this prompt, it should be installed
Mm.
silent mode.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in background it should
Mm.
install silent mode in the background. For that we need the silent switches.
Okay.
Silent switches, don't believe any silent switches. Why I'm saying this statement is,
Mm.
the silent switches will vary from one application to another application.
Mm.
Okay, it will be differ from one application to another application.
Mm.
Okay, let me go here and give you a small explanation. Mostly we will deploy, on the majority of the case, we will deploy two types of application. One is .exe.
Mm.
Okay, the another one is .msi file.
Mm.
99% we will get these two kinds of application deployments only.
Mm.
Okay, for MSI applications it is very easy.
Microsoft it is.
Yeah, MSI exec dot exe,
Mm.
okay, space slash I. Slash I means installation,
Mm.
and path of the exe file.
Mm.
Sorry, MSI, right? We are installing MSI. Path of the MSI file. Okay, it will proceed with the installation. Okay,
Okay.
it will proceed with the installation, but we need the silent switch. You can use the silent switch as the QN. This is the silent switch parameter.
Okay.
Okay,
QN. Okay.
QN is the silent switch parameter. For
Mm-hmm.
any kind of MSI file, whether it is a VLC, SAP application, some other XYZ Notepad++ application, if it is the MSI kind of application,
Mm.
okay, this is the standard command line. This is
Mm.
the standard command line. Slash X means uninstall. Slash I means install. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But for the exe file,
Mm.
you are going to deploy like yeah, path of the exe file, path of the exe file,
Mm.
and give slash space and slash s is the silent switch, or else slash silent is the silent switch. Okay, or else sometimes slash what I forgot. Some other switches is there. Silent slash q also, maybe sometimes slash q, yeah, or slash quiet slash q. These switches also we can use, or some
So
other
either
switches
of
also.
these things you mean to say, S or silent or quiet or Q you mean to say.
I given mostly
All
yeah,
parameters.
these are all the mostly we will use.
Mm.
Okay, any silent switch we can use, or else I'm not saying for all the exe files this is the standard any one of this silent switch we are using. No, I'm not saying.
Mm.
Okay, you have to browse in the Google for the SAP application. For the SAP application,
Mm.
it may not one of this silent switch. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
may not one of the silent switch, maybe some XYZ, some XYZ. I'm not sure.
So look at Google saying that what is the silent switch for SAP application.
Yes, you have
Yes.
to browse
Okay.
it in the Google.
Mm.
Okay, you have to get it from the Google. From the trusted websites, if you got it from the SAP websites, that will be more relevant.
Okay.
Okay, you have to get it from the trusted websites. Okay,
Mm.
that's why this silent switch parameters or command lines, whatever it is.
Mm.
Okay, this is also you should get from these persons. It is
Mm.
not your responsibility.
Okay, we have to ask them.
Yes, we have to ask them. We
Okay.
have to ask them. Okay, if these guys are not sure, if they are not available, and if this person is not sure means, then we can go and ask. We have to do our own research and we have to implement it.
Mm.
Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Now I don't
So
know.
application will be provided from them, application team, requester or app owner, and this silent switch is also provided from them only.
Yes.
Mm.
VLC media player silent install command line. I'm browsing it. Okay.
Okay.
See here some silent installation command line it is showing, but it is for the MSI file.
Mm.
MSI file. But
Mm.
we are having now exe file, right? See, we are having the exe file .exe, extension
Mm.
is .exe. Okay, so I always prefer to go here, manage engine. They will have the mostly all the
Proper.
applications. Yeah.
Okay.
/s is the silent installation. If you run this /s again, it will go with the uninstallation also. For install and the uninstall, you can have the same switch. Okay. If
Same.
you
Okay, first it will go for installation if it is not installed. Then again, if
yes,
you tap yes, then again.
yes. If you
Okay.
run this in the command line, for example, yeah,
You're just showing an example, right? But
yes, yes,
in
yes, yes.
real time, it won't happen like this.
Yeah, example only. Okay, /s. When I'm running it first time, it will
Hmm.
proceed with the installation.
Correct.
Once it's got installed, when I'm running this command once again, it is
Hmm.
proceed with the uninstallation.
Installation. Got it.
Got it?
This thing I got.
Okay. Okay. Let me close this one. Now we are aware about this. Okay, /s is our silent switch command line.
Mm.
Now it's time to create the package. Everything we have done and we know the process also. How in real time eh, we have to do. Go to software library and
Mm.
packages. Right click on this. Create package. Okay.
Mm.
Create package. I'm
So this
typing.
is after the application team is sending and all, we have to do this part
Yes.
once we get a package.
Yes. They will store it in some other network path location.
Path. Mm.
Okay. By
Mm.
creating this and all. Okay. You have to tell this location. They can copy paste here. Okay.
Yeah.
And also including this, they can provide some document also. Some Word document like installation command line, uninstallation command line, where it's in which path it is going to install. The application repackaging team is available means. Okay.
Mm.
In which path it's got installed. Okay. What are all the things you have to do after installation, like validation things. Everything they will create the document and they will provide it to you. By
Mm.
using the document, you can proceed with the installation by
Mm.
reading that document. Okay. VLC media player. This package contains source files. Check this box. Here it is asking for the folder, not the vlc.exe file. In which folder that file is available. It is asking
Okay.
for the folder. Okay, so browse. Always go with the network path only.
Mm.
Okay, // in real time it will be stored in some other location. Okay,
Mm.
um, yeah, // sources. We got it. Okay, under the sources folder we have. So okay, again in the source folder we have created one more folder, right?
Yes. Yes.
VLC.
Yes.
Yeah, VLC folder we have to check. In this folder the setup.exe is available. So click on OK. This information if you want you can type it or else you can ignore it. It is not the mandatory. Okay.
Mm.
The version names if you know you can enter it or else it is not mandatory. Whatever I'm leaving it blank you can ignore it. Okay.
Okay.
3.0.21 in real time maybe if you want you can enter, if you are not entering also not a problem. Okay, like 3.0.21
Mm.
this is the version. Okay, some description if you wanted to do you can give. Manufacturer for this is Video LAN is the manufacturer name. Okay,
Mm.
so click on next. If you are not giving these three parts, nothing wrong. Okay, the only thing
Mm.
is this one and name is the mandatory one. Click next. Standard program. Okay,
Mm.
always select the standard program only. It is the best recommended option.
Mm.
Okay, what is these two options I will let you know. Okay,
Mm.
standard program means here you have the standard program option.
Mm.
Just click this. You can have to enter again the name, command line you have to enter, the startup folder, norm, how it should be run, normal, maximize, minimize, hidden, how it
Mm.
should be done. uh, Program should be run only when user is logged in or else user is not logged in, whether or not user is logged in, like this way. And
Mm.
run mode is only with the normal user rights or run with the administrator rights. Okay, like
Mm.
this way it is asking. Let's go to the previous now. It is the standard program options. Okay, let's go to the previous. Let's select the program for device. Now it's changed to program for device.
Mm.
Okay, click on next. You are giving the name and the command line. That's it. The behavior and all it is not asking. So it is compressing the some of the we are limiting with the options. That's it. Okay, ultimately it will install, but the thing is it won't install with the run with the administrative rights. Then might be it may occurs the failures. The always best recommended way is to run with the
Standard.
yeah, administrative rights.
Mm.
Okay, here it is saying that do not create a program. Okay, it is not at all recommended. Okay,
Okay.
directly there is no command line to pass, nothing. Okay,
Oh,
so
but it will
always,
bypass.
yes, always select the standard program only. Okay,
Okay.
here we are having the more options to
Mm.
customize how the installation to be takes place in the end
Mm.
user machines. Okay,
Mm.
when we have the more options, we can give the options, this is the way it should be installed.
Mm.
Okay, we can customize the installation,
Mm.
not the application I'm saying. Okay, customizing the application, it should be taken care by the application packaging team, right?
Mm.
I'm saying customize the
Mm.
installation. Okay, how
Got it.
it is going to be installed,
Mm.
whether it is the silent mode, whether it should be run as administrative, whether it is run as normal user, whether only user is logged in, whether or not user is logged in or logged off, it doesn't matter how, those kind of things. Okay, again I'm giving the VLC media player name. Okay, and command line. let's see now let's see now if
Command
I,
line would be in the switcher.
yes, if I
Switcher.
click on browse, it is automatically taking to the redirecting to this one. Why? Because
Mm.
in the first step itself
We
we
had
have
given
given
a
this
path. Mm.
path. That's
Mm.
why. Okay, now I'm selecting this application,
Mm.
open, and give space slash yes. This is the silent switch, right?
Mm-hmm.
I have passed the silent switch. Startup folder, it is not required, you can leave it as blank. You can run it as
Okay.
normal only, no need to select the hidden and all. Run
Mm.
it as normal only. Why? Because you already
Mm.
passed the switch here. Okay, leave it as it is,
Mm.
so it will be installed in the silent mode only. Okay,
Mm.
and program can run, here it is the important one, program
Mm.
can run only when your user is logged in. It is
Mm.
asking like in the laptop user is logged in or logged off. It is not saying whether the laptop is shut down or turn on.
Turn on. Mm.
Okay, no,
Mm.
it should be turn on only always, then only SSM will communicate. If it is in
Yes,
power off
correct.
mode, it won't communicate, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
don't get confused with that. It is saying user is logged in or user is not logged in. No, user is logged on. It doesn't matter for us. Always select whether or not user is logged on. I am
Okay.
selecting whatever the options I am selecting in
What
the real
organization?
time, what organization is following. Okay,
Mm.
follow these options only what I'm
Mm.
selecting. Okay, when
Mm.
we have selected this, automatically it's grayed out. See, run with
Mm.
administrative rights only. Yeah,
Mm.
that is the best recommended way. That's good. Yeah, then no need to touch this. We are already running with the UNC path only, which we have already updated here, the path. Click on next. The requirements.
Mm.
The requirements. Suppose for example, for this VLC application, you have any other dependency application, means you can run another program first. You have to browse that package. For example, this is the package. The client package is should be run first, like
Mm.
.NET,
Mm.
Visual Studio plus plus C plus plus.
Mm.
Is that right? If there is any dependency, you should create that dependency package here and then browse it. Do not deploy that package, and then you can just create it and browse it. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is not
If
taking
there
the
is any
default.
dependency
Yeah,
application in
if
it.
there is, for
Mm.
I'm just saying. Okay.
Mm.
Right now we don't have the any dependency, so
Mm.
I'm not checking this box.
Mm.
This program can run on any platform, or
Mm.
else if you wanted to specifically run on Windows 11 only, you can check,
Mm.
or else specifically run on any servers, you can check it out.
Mm.
Check that option. Okay,
Okay.
now always the best recommended, run on any platform.
Mm.
Okay, the estimated disk size.
This run on any platform would be the organization. I mean to say they will use this option. I mean to say
Yes,
most of the time.
yes, whatever I'm selecting,
Mm.
I already said, right? Whatever I'm
Mhm.
selecting, that is the best way, best
Mm.
recommended options only. Usually they
Mm.
will select. In case your client insist, no, no,
Mm.
don't select this one, select only Windows 11. Okay,
Mhm.
nothing wrong. You can
Mm.
select it then. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, estimated disk size. If you know the size, you can select, you can remove this unknown and you can enter the 500 MB, whatever it is.
Mm.
Okay, let's say,
We have to give this also.
yeah, 500 MB maybe, if it
Mm.
takes means, or else it is the KB, GB, whatever you can give. If you
Mm.
are not sure means, you can remove this one, remove this one, and click on unknown. Unknown means it's automatically taken whatever the size of the installation.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, that is the best recommended way.
Mm.
Maximum runtime to allow. If we are deploying this VLC application, it will takes only 3 to 5 minutes.
Mm.
3 minutes maybe. Below the 3
Mm.
minutes, it will install. Very smaller file. If it is a SAP application, those kind of bigger size applications means nearly 1 GB, more than 700 MB, 500 MB means, let's give 30 minutes, like 1 hour. The
Mm.
maximum time frame 120 minutes we can give for any
Mhm.
kind of application.
Mm.
Okay, click next. That's it. Summary. Click next. Very simple, right? You have created one package.
Mm.
There is three steps, I said.
Mm.
3DD rule. The
Mm.
first step is we have created it,
Yes.
right? Still
Now
we
you.
haven't distributed the content status to the
Mm.
DPs, we haven't targeted. That's why it is
Yes.
showing zero target.
Mm.
Content means the distribution status to the
Mm.
DP. Okay, we have to distribute this content to DPs. That's what
Mm.
the second step. Right click, distribute content.
Mm.
Later you can go with the deploy. Okay,
Mm.
select the distribute content. Which application? VLC media player. Add distribution points.
Mm.
Where we have the distribution point in SSCM server, we have the distribution point role.
Mm.
If you install the AD mission, a distribution point role, you can select that one also. Like that,
Okay.
it will displace the multiple distribution point servers.
Mm.
What are all the servers you need, you can select it and you can distribute the content.
Okay.
Okay, click OK, click next. Next, any difficulty you are facing? Very simple,
No.
right? Very simple.
Yeah. This is very simple.
Yeah.
And now create and deploy this distribute we have done. Now deployment will happen. Now tell me one thing. These people they say okay, this is application package, but do we follow that same rule over here? I mean to say they will for updates like every second week of Tuesday it will be released. Then they will create one change and they will ask that application owner or server owner, to test it on the machine, and they will wait for an approval. If they were given approval, then they will go and test it on their test machine. If it is successful, then the other coming next weekend they will go on the production, right?
Yeah,
Hello.
you are saying the correct
Ah,
points only. That is the
okay.
process. Okay, but
So here it won't happen, right? That process won't happen over here.
the change
For
request for the bulk devices, definitely you have to raise the change request.
okay, okay.
Okay,
But again, we have to test it on test machine, correct?
yes,
First.
for any kind of deployments, even the patch
Hmm.
deployment, application deployment, packet deployment, first test it on your test devices. Then
And
go
how
with the.
long we have to test it? Like I meant to say, is there any time or something? What it
It
is?
depends. 1 or 2 days you can take the test missions. If it is successfully done, then you can go with the pilot devices. Pilot devices maybe 30 devices or 50 devices you can target it.
I'm confused with this word. What is this pilot devices?
Those also kind of test device. Okay. Those explanations and all, I will
Hmm.
give it to you when I'm explaining the patch deployment.
Okay, okay,
Okay, you are
okay.
too for asking the too for
Now, why I'm
questions.
asking is this patch this pilot and something they are
At the
calling
end of the course, you can,
UAT.
yeah, everything. At the end of the course, you will have the complete explanation. Okay, no problem, no problem. I am having it. Okay, I'm having it to explain it in the right situations. Okay, no need to worry. Now see, it is in progress initially in yellow color. Okay, in progress. Once it's got distributed, I have refreshed it, so it's turned to green color. Green color means successfully completed, distributed
Where
to
is
DP.
refresh option here?
Here you can do the refresh,
Okay, okay.
or else you can go back here and click it here, means it will automatically refresh. You
Okay,
can go to some other options and come to the packages and select your VLC, it will automatically refresh.
okay, okay.
Or else you can use this refresh button also. Okay, the deep is, it should be successfully completed. If you click on the content status, it is redirecting to monitoring tab, and under the content status VLC media player. Okay, so you can check the status here. Click on view status again. It is the DP content status I am saying. Okay, DP content status, successfully distributed content. If it is in progress means here it will show this, it is in progress. If some error occurs means the DP failures, distributed content has been failure, means it will show here the error message, what exactly went wrong. If it is
Okay.
unknown means still it is not started the content distributing, means it will show here. Okay, now it has been passed from this stage to this stage, this stage to this stage, there is
Success.
no error. Okay, now go back to the software library, VLC media player. Okay, now
Now create and deploy. Deploy we have distribute we have done. Okay.
yes, now we have to do the deploy,
Mm.
right? Before deploying this one, you should understood these things. We have to deploy our applications in two types of methods. Okay, one is available method, available mode we can say, required mode and available mode.
I think so. It is required only.
No, not mandatory. Most of the
Mm.
cases we can go with the required, that is right. In most of the cases, in some cases we can go with the available mode also. We cannot say we will go we should go only in the required mode. No, most of the cases we can go with the required. Required means it will forcefully installs.
Yes.
Forcefully installs. No need of manual intervention. No need of manual intervention. Here we have to do manual installation. Manual means we have to open the software center. Okay,
Mm.
we have to open the software center
The
application.
user should open it.
Yes,
And-
user
Mm.
should open it. Software center, user should open it and click on the, he can see the VLC application in the software center, and he
Mm.
can click on the install button. If
Mm.
he clicks on the install button, then only it will install, otherwise it won't install.
Mm.
If you deploy it in the required mode, no need to open up the software center and clicking on the VLC, it will forcefully installs. This is the two methods you should understand. Okay,
Yep.
yeah, let's go right click
Mm.
and deploy.
Mm.
We have created enough collections initially, right?
Mm.
So let's select the all missions collection. All missions in this
Mm.
mission collection, we do have AD mission, SSE mission, TestVM01 mission also we do have.
Mm.
So click OK. To this collection we have targeted.
Mm.
Click next. Distribution point already we have. If you
Mm.
missed out any distribution point here, the
Mm.
previous step, you can add it here also. While deploying also you can add some other distribution points. The
Okay.
missed distribution point servers, it will be listed out here.
Mm.
Okay, in case, click next. Here it is asking for the required or available.
Mm.
Required or available. Okay,
Mm.
let me select the available mode. I wanted to show both the options. Okay,
Okay.
let me select the available mode. Available mode, click next. from when to when it should be available. Okay, from today to, let's cheat this one. I'm changing it to 4:03 a.m. right now. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, the expiry date should be, you can give maybe 12 1 week or 1 month, you can give whatever it is. Okay, till the December 31st it will be available in the software center. If I open the software center, it will open, and under the applications it should be display the VLC application. Okay, it will be available till December 31st.
Okay, okay.
If he is not installed before the December 31st, it will be expires automatically. It will be expired later from the January 1st. He won't see the application here. He won't see the application here. Okay, so this is way we have to fix it, the time dates and all. Okay, from this period to this period it should be available. If you don't want to give the expire means, you can uncheck this one. It will, at any time it will be available here all the days. Whenever
Okay.
he is free, you can install it.
Mm.
Okay, let's click on next. It is your wish to give the expiry date or not, it is your wish.
Okay.
Click on next. Commit changes at deadline or during maintenance window. Okay, check this
Mm.
box. Allow users to run the program independently if assigned. This is grayed out. That means this option enables means you can, it will enable with the install button, it will be enabled here.
Mm.
Okay, that's what this option, allow users to run. We will install
Mm.
that button, right? Allow users to run their program. That's why it's automatically graded. Yes, we do have the option. Okay,
Mm.
here when the schedule assignment time is reached, the following activities to be performed outside the maintenance window. Maintenance window, this maintenance window I will explain it later. Okay,
Mm.
forgot about this maintenance window. When the schedule assignment time is reached,
Mm.
for allow the following activity. That means software installation to be taken place. If
Mm.
system is required restart, it should be also taken place. Okay,
Mm.
but right now we don't have any maintenance window. I'm not talking about any here also during the maintenance window. It is outside the maintenance window. Okay,
Mm.
I will talk about this maintenance window part later while discussing the patch, those things, patch deployment and all.
Mm.
Okay, commit changes at deadline. Deadline.
Mm.
Deadline also I will discuss in detail while come to the uh, patch deployment, or else we can if we can deploy it in the required mode, I will explain it.
Mm.
Okay, I will explain it in the required mode. Okay,
Okay.
I will show it in the required mode. Okay, just select this option. Anyway, we are going to install it in the manual only, like
Mm.
opening the software center, it doesn't matter. But always select this commit changes at deadline or during maintenance window.
Mm.
Okay, click next. Here, download content from distribution point and run locally. That's what
Mm.
I said multiple times while drawing the diagram.
Yes.
Okay, in the client machines, it should download locally and then proceed with the installation. Download
Mm.
locally from the distribution point and run locally.
Mm.
The same thing here also, download content from the distribution point and run locally.
Mm.
Okay, it is from like neighbor boundary group. If the distribution point is not available, it will reach to some other
Connected. Yes.
boundary group.
Yes. Mm.
Those things. Okay, click next. This is the summary what you have selected till now, and click next. Okay, now you
Yes.
have deployed the application also. Okay, this is the program, the standard program what you have created. Okay,
Mm.
and what you have given the command line, those options. This is the deployment.
Now share
You
the
have
status.
targeted the to all missions collection.
Mm.
Okay, now let's see in the one of the mission. Let me log in into test VM mission first of all. See, I'm logging with the test VM mission with the respective credentials only.
Mm.
let me log in the AD mission also.
We have deployed it to all machines, right? We selected that collection
Yes,
group,
yes,
so
that's
it will
fine.
go to all three.
Yes, all three. You're not in hurry, right?
No, no.
It's okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's see it in the test VM mission first of all. Okay, open software center. Software center. Open it up.
And you had told me if we install the client, I mean, it is the agent of SCCM, we will see an option in the control panel, software configuration, right?
Yes, that is our next step. See, in the applications tab, the VLC is not visible. Not visible. Okay, now
Yes.
what I'm going to do is open the control panel. Let me mark it to my taskbar. Always I will come here, open it, and go to configuration manager. Open
Mm,
it. Okay, go to actions tab. I'm
mm.
going to run the mission policy now. Okay, mission policy. Run now. Click OK.
This is to, we are doing it forcefully right now.
Yes, not forcefully.
Mm,
Like communicate while running this policy, it will
mm.
trigger the communication to the SCCM.
Listen, uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah, then
But
SCCM will.
normally we have to do this. Normally we have to do this kind of task. No, right?
Yes, we will do. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. You will get the clarity. Okay. See, now we will get the one icon here. Okay. So we got the VLC application. Come here and go here again. It's refreshed. VLC application. We got it. Once we run
Mm,
the mission policy, immediately we
mm,
got it.
mm,
Otherwise, it will take some time. Okay.
mm.
For the 10,000 missions in real time, you cannot go log in and run this policy, right?
That is what.
You cannot go do it, right? So
Mm.
it is for a lab purpose. Okay, I did it intentionally. This is
Okay,
also one
okay.
method you should aware. Okay,
Mm,
by running the policies, it will quickly communicate with the SSM and it will get all the
mm, mm,
policies.
mm,
Any pending policies also is available. It will run
mm.
all the policies. So
Okay.
now
But in real time,
no
we
need
don't
to.
do it because it will be more. So automatically, when sync up happens, the communication happens, it will update over here
Yes,
for all the machines.
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, let's click on VLC. Install button is enabled. We have deployed it in available mode. So
Mm,
you have to click on install button. You have to send this screenshot to
mm,
all the users. If you are deploying it in the available mode, you have to
mm,
communicate to the users by sending the email. Okay, hey, we have deployed the VLC application to your machine. Okay,
mm,
to install that VLC application, you have to open the software center, go to start, and this screenshot also you have to send. Like this way it will open. Click on the VLC application and click on the install button. Like 2 3 lines of steps with the screenshot, you have to send the global communication to all the users.
oh, okay.
Okay, if you are deploying it in the available mode,
Okay.
mostly we won't deploy it in the available mode. In some
Mm,
cases, if it is needed to deploy it in the available mode, at that time you have to send the communication. If it is the
mm,
global communication, you have to send the global communication, or else you can, if it is limited number of missions, means you can send the limited number of users for those devices.
mhm.
Okay, click on install now. Okay, let me open the log files here first of all. C drive and Windows CCM logs. It is the end user mission log files. Okay,
Okay. Mm,
we need the CM trace. CM trace, double click, log files to be open in this way. Go to the log files. Now I am going to open few log files here. Okay, um, content transfer dot log file, always open with the CM trace. Okay, one second. data transfer services.log file, the second log file. You will see the result in a short time. exec manager.log file. Okay, this is the 3 log files I have opened. Okay, intentionally I have opened, which I will usually monitor while installing the log files. If this installation has been failed, I will open this log files only for the package deployment. Okay, let's see the detailed review here once we have triggered the install button. Okay, this is for installation, these two for the downloading, these two data transfer.log file and content transfer manager.log file for the downloading the content. Okay, now let's see. If I click on install button here, if I click on install button here, see it is starting downloading first, downloading locally. Okay, 0% it is, it will increase the percentages.
So from downloading from distribution point to
Yes,
local machine.
yes, from the distribution point to local DP. Also, I wanted to show here. Yeah, 1 second. Go CCM cache. See here, 12 percentage. It started downloading. Okay, that 23 percentage. Like that way, it started downloading. It will download in the CCM cache folder. You will get the VLC application. Okay, 40 percentage everything. The same you can monitor it here in these log files. See, downloading the data. Which one? 1.ccm cache, under ccm cache 1.bc. Okay, it will change one folder only, it is downloading. Okay, you won't see that 1.bc work, but it is the one folder only, you will get it. Okay, let's see. 86 percentage, 96%, 91 percentage, 97. Yeah, download has been successfully completed. It's proceeding with the installation. Okay,
Okay.
download success, download success. The next log file, yeah, downloading success, notified complete, success, job has been completed successfully. You can see the one folder inside that VLC application has been came. Now it is triggering for the installation, the third log file. From here it is triggering for the installation. Okay, see VLC media player, the package ID is B0000155. It is okay, it is triggering for the installation. And 1 second, see the silent switch /s, from where it is running C drive, Windows, CCM cache, one folder, VLC application is there, /s is the command line, it is passed. We have created this process. Okay, so it has been installed successfully now. So in the background you can see the, this is the way you have to monitor it. Log files, see VLC application, you got it. The same way you have to monitor. If you got any errors based on that log file error, you will identify the message itself. It shows the what is the failure. If not, you can browse it in the Google, and based on the error message, you can take the action. Okay, the same way. The next one in the AD mission also, you can open software center. By that time it should come here. Yeah, it's not came right here in AD mission. I wanted to show one more option. Go to SCCM mission. You don't wanted to run it in the manually in all the missions, right? At that time, what you can do it, you have targeted to all missions, right? From here also we can run the policies. Right click, client notification, download computer policy. These are all the policies you are seeing. Yeah, open control panel, configuration manager. Okay, in this actions tab, this is the policies.
These policies.
Okay, right click and see the computer policy, user policy, software inventory, hardware inventory, application deployment, application software update evaluation, everything. The same options: application deployment, discovery data, file data, hardware inventory, mission policy, software inventory, software metering, update evaluation, user policies. Okay, the
The
same
machine
policy.
policy is not available there.
Mission policy is the download computer policy. Right click,
Okay.
download computer policy. The
Okay,
name
the
it's
name is changed. Okay.
change. Okay, click on the download computer policy. Click on yes. If it is the 3 machines or 3000 machines, 30,000 machines, it doesn't matter. You
Hmm.
can run it from here. You understood?
It's getting downloaded.
The policy is getting,
Okay. Okay.
the communication is happening. Okay, in the
Okay.
background.
Okay.
Okay, but
Hmm.
still that is the like it will takes time only. But
Hmm.
mostly we can do it. See,
Now it
one
came.
it's came. I haven't run any mission policy here manually.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay,
Correct.
click on here, click on install. You have to monitor the same log files. I don't want to go again there.
Hmm.
Go to the test mission. See, one you have got it. I haven't
Hmm.
run in the AD mission also. This is the AD mission.
Hmm.
Come here and go. See, click on install button. It
Hmm.
will install, download and install the VLC media player application.
Hmm.
Any doubts?
No, this is clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Now go to the SCCM, the reporting section. We should not forget the reporting section, right? We have installed the reporting services point rule initially. Go to the monitoring tab, go under reports. Now you should see the multiple reports. Earlier it was showing the blank.
Hmm.
Okay, this is the 471
71.
default reports you have. Okay, still we haven't done any major activities though, so it may be blank only in the most of the cases. Okay, but let me show few of the options. Client status history, client status summary, that means SCCM agent run. The collection name it is asking value, select all missions collection. Okay, view report, maximize the report. It is showing all active clients, 3 missions. This is one
Hmm.
kind of report. Okay, 3 missions it is showing 100% success.
Hmm.
Close this one. Let's run some other report. Mm, which is the basic report I will show to you is dun, dun, dun. Okay, let me sort the category. Then only I will client informations maybe. Count of clients for each device, each site. Okay, run it. In Bangalore site we have 3 count. Okay, Bangalore site we have 3 count. If you click on this site code, you have the devices information. Okay, you can save this report also, export this report in PDF, Excel, Word, whatever it is. You can
Hmm.
export and share it to your respective clients. Okay,
Hmm.
whoever it is requesting. Okay, now go to the web URL. This is the reporting page, right? I said refresh this one. You can see the folder which I have said earlier. You can see the same reportings here also.
Hmm.
From here also you can see. I'm just running the random report. Site code B01 view report. You can see the missions list and the client version, SSM agent client version, to which primary site it is reporting. You can
Hmm.
save the report from here also and you can share the report.
Okay.
Okay, and this is one reporting URL and one. Okay, I wanted to show here. This is one reporting URL. It's
Hmm.
came now after installing the services reporting services point role.
Hmm.
This is another URL. Click on this URL. You will get this. This is something like this. Both are same.
Hmm.
Okay. This is configuration manager B01 folder. Inside this, the user interface is different. That's it.
Hmm.
But both are same reporting only.
Reports. Hmm.
Okay. View report and you can save the report and you can share it. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
default reports. Same. This is the hardware related categories, hardware related reports. This is something
Mm.
software distribution, software metering, software updates, okay, task sequence. Okay, these kinds of reports you can share it. Okay.
Okay.
When it comes to experience, you can know, okay, by single day or by single month or couple of months, you cannot aware and go and check the all these 400 plus reports, right?
Mm.
Yeah, by experience only you can go. By seeing this folder structure, you should you have to analyze. Okay, now we have to go inside the hardware folder and generate the report. Now we have to go the operating system folder and generate the report. Like that way you have to take the decision based on the category.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm done with my session. Any doubts for today's session?
Now we did the available, right? So we should do the required.
Yes,
That
tomorrow
I
we will
think.
do the record. I
Okay.
won't miss any topic. Okay, I will cover entire thing. Okay, no need to worry.
Okay. After
Now,
this application thing, application deployment, we will go for software.
software means this is also software only. Now we seen the package
Okay.
deployments.
Okay. Package
Tomorrow,
deployment.
yeah, tomorrow we will see the application deployment. After that,
Okay.
we will go with the depends upon the time frame. We can continue with the patch deployment or else some other topics we will pick. We will see.
Hmm. Okay. So this we did a package deployment. Package deployment, software deployment is same. You meant to say.
Okay, yeah, the VLC application you can deploy it either using the package deployment or application deployment. We have two
Okay.
types of deployments.
Okay.
Okay, one second,
Hmm.
let me show it to you. You have the package deployment here, you have the application deployment here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this application deploy, this is the legacy one. It is a older one from
Okay.
2000 period, from that time, 25 years of history for this one. Okay,
Okay.
it is introduced from the 2012, 2012 only. Okay, before that
So we
there
can
is
use
only
anyone.
anyone. You can use
Okay.
anyone. Here you
The
have
result will
more.
be same.
Here you have some more options. We will discuss
Okay.
those options. We have the
Okay.
we will discuss the differences between the package and application deployment also. Once we
Mm-hmm.
have completed, that is the important interview question. What is the
Mm-hmm.
difference between the package and the application deployment? Once I have
So,
completed, we will discuss that one.
okay. So the main thing is that this is legacy and this is the one with the newer one
Your one.
application.
Yes,
Okay. Okay.
yes.
This is
Nowadays, everyone is using the application deployment only, mostly.
okay. Okay.
Okay.
That is why I got confused.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Now, any other questions you have?
But now this is clear.
Clear. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I have recorded the session. Let me